My name is Dr. Shaktipada Sit, Principal, Susti Electrohomeopathy Medical College and Institute, Kontai, Purbo Mednipur, West Bengal. Today, I want to discuss about the character of pectoralis group of remedy. Pectoralis group of remedy, it is the special group of remedy which acts on the respiratory system. There are mainly four remedy in this group. That means P1, P2, P3 and P4. But only 6 plants essence are present in P1. Another 3 remedies are not combined freshly planned essence, but they are present in C2 in pectoralis 2, A3 in pectoralis 3, that means P3, and F1 in P4 in the essence condition. So, this group of remedy can keep the homeostasis of total respiratory group of remedy and can keep the organic functions as on bronchial and respiratory parts. Besides this, there are only 5 complex remedies. That means P5, P6, P7, P8 and P9, which each includes in this group. The details of remedies are described step by step. First time I want to discuss about pectoralis 1. Pectoralis, before I discuss about on pectoralis group of remedy, I want to discuss the common plants which are present in pectoralis original 4 medicines. That means P1, P2, P3 and P4. Adiantum capillus veneris are present, each present P1 and P2, P3 and P4. Allium sativum are present in P1, P2, P3 and P4. Eucalyptus globulus presents in P1, P2, P3 and P4. Phalandrium aquaticum are present in P1, P2, P3 and P4. Polygala omara also present in P1, P2 and P3 and P4. Uregoga ipecacuana also present in P1, P2 and P3 and P4. Now I shall be discuss only P1, the 6 above 6 medicines. That means Adiantum capillus veneris, Allium cepa, Eucalyptus globulus, Phalandrium aquaticum, Polygala omara and Uregoga ipecacuana. Those 6 plants essence are mixed after cohabation in the certain ratio and forms a complex shape of remedy, and their resultant force acts on the specific organ, that means the respiratory tract. Now, what are the effective organ acts on P1? Respiratory organ, that means trachea, bronchi, bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus, etc. Besides this, it acts as diuretic, and reduce the asthma. What are the mode of action of P1? This remedy has specific function on the lungs and keeps the homeostatic condition of the lungs normal, and it recovers all sorts of disorder and disease of the lungs. It works with C1 and C5 for the inflammation of the lungs and works with H1, H2 and H3 due to congestion of lungs as per condition of the lungs. The general set of remedy in case of respiratory system in acute case: P1, C1, H1 and B is the general setup of remedy in case of upper respiratory tract infection of respiratory system. The therapeutic value now I want to discuss in case of RTI. That means RTI means R for respiratory, T for tract, I for infection. The RTI means respiratory tract infection. The general setup: P1 plus C1 plus S1 plus B or G we may use. Anti-infective condition in respiratory system, then we may use P1, C5 and H5 plus A1 and F1. In case of bronchitis, P1 plus C5 plus H1 plus G. In case of asthma, P1 plus C1 plus H1 and plus B or G. In case of in the condition of temperament. Cough with blood, when we may see the cough with blood in case of respiratory system trouble, cough with blood, then we can prescribe P1 plus C1 plus A1 or A2 plus G or B. In case of arterial blood, that means we can use A1. In case of venous blood, we can use A2. Helping remedy here used P1 with P1 as per the disease and symptoms. As for example, if temperature arises when a patient is come to my chamber with temperature with cough, cold, and body ache, etc., and headache, etc., then we can prescribe F1 plus C5 plus A1 in negative dilution. That means high dilution. In case of loose motion, we can use S10 plus C10 plus VAR1 according to patient condition. We may use dilution. Set up medicine in case of loose motion: S10 plus C10 plus Bharwan, etc. In this way, I shall be discuss step by step pectoralis group of medicine. So I request all practitioners, doctors and physicians to prescribe, subscribe and like in this channel. Thank you very much.